I'm Rani Polak. I'm a lipid physician and a chef, and I'm the director of the Lifestyle Medicine Center here in the Lipid Institution at Chiba. We are now working with a group of 40 physicians and researchers to define culinary medicine. But generally speaking, culinary medicine is a new field that helps people to improve their nutrition and health through home cooking. So we train patients to cook more at home. We actually empower them to cook more at home with a combination of culinary training and health coaching principles. And we followed up for 1 year on a couple of several outcomes, but the primary outcome was weight. We found approximately 5% weight loss that lasts for up to 1 year. The first one with a rigid control group, the first one with a long-term follow-up. So this is really a milestone in establishing culinary medicine as a viable field within medicine. And what was amazing is that usually when you do a lifestyle medicine intervention, you have a weight loss, and then after 6 months you start a weight gain. And here the weight loss improve and keep on improving up to 1 year. So I think and hope that will really help patients to adopt healthy behaviors that will stay for long.